Wanna know how to fix overheating issues in PUBG Mobile? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can easily fix it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. So first things first, simply open up your PUBG Mobile application, and once you're there, on the bottom right side, you can see this arrow icon. Just simply select it. Now once you selected this arrow icon, head towards settings right here. Now once you're on the settings, make sure your graphics are minimal. So just simply hit towards the graphics right here. And now make sure your better frame rate is selected. Or if you're on customize, make sure your graphics is smooth and under power setting right here. So simply select apply. So if it still doesn't work, you can just simply restart your application or restart your mobile itself. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and remain with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.